I created a Telegram bot based on news API. So if we give /news, we get different types of news here, like this. To store the backend data in the database, we should create a Firebase account so that we can use database to create what are the news getting every day and to be known. Create a new Firebase account and create a new project in it. This is my project. Go to project overview and select project settings. In project settings, we find service accounts. Go to service accounts. After going to service accounts, you will get a button called generate new private key. Click on generate new private key so that you will get a new private key. And then rename the key as service key. After creating the Firebase account, go to the Visual Studio and create a new folder called .js folder. After creating newsbot.js, we have to write a code to connect the database from the Telegram bot to the Firebase account. We require Firebase admin /app and we also require Firebase admin Firestore. We have to install two packages named Node Telegram Bot API and Axios. We have to place the token of our API Telegram bot here. And next we have to, the key which is generated in the Firebase account should be placed here, where service account equal to required in the double quotes. To connect the database in the Telegram bot to the Firebase, we have to give our API key and API URL. This is the API key, constant API key and constant API URL. Constant response equal to await axios.get. Here I have a collection in the Firebase account as named as news. This is the collection name. The output will be given in two ways, that is title and URL. I'll get the output as title and URL. After that, for constant article of articles, constant message equal to article.title, article.url, bot.send message, so that we can send the information of database from Telegram bot to the Firebase account. This is the required code to create the Firebase database connection to store information of database after creating the API Telegram chatbot. After completing execution in the command prompt, go to your Firebase account to check whether the database is connected or not. After going to Firebase account, click on Firestore database so that you can find your database here. This is my collection named news. These are the outputs of the news which I created from the bot, so that we can store the database which we are giving to the API bot, and we can be seen here. This is the way to connect database from the Telegram bot to the Firebase. Thank you.